Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover your account with PayPal step by step clearly. To begin the recovery of your PayPal account, navigate to the PayPal login page. Once there, locate that having trouble logging in link beneath the login fields. Click on that link to be directed to the account recovery options. You will now see a prompt asking for the email address or mobile number linked to your account. Enter the required email address or mobile number, and then click Next. If you are using an email address, PayPal will send you a verification email. Check your inbox for the email titled Reset Your Password. If you don't see it soon, check your spam or junk folder. Open the email and click on the password reset link provided. This will direct you to a page where you can set a new password. Choose a strong password, making sure it meets the security criteria. After entering your new password, confirm it by typing it again. Once you've set your new password, click the Continue button. You should now be able to log in using your email address and the new password. If you opted for mobile number verification, PayPal will send a text message with a verification code. Retrieve the code from your text messages and enter it into the provided field. Click Continue to regain access to your account. If you're still having trouble, consider using PayPal's Help Center for additional support. Follow the on-screen instructions to further troubleshoot any issues you encounter. Staying vigilant about your account security is key, so remember to update your password regularly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.